If you're an accountant and you're using a VLOOKUP, you are behind the times, and I'm gonna show you how I used an XLookup today at work. I had two data sets, one where I had this information on one data set and I wanted to bring in the tag that was on the second data set. So the second data set looks like this. I wanted to bring column E into that first data set, and it has the contract name as well. So they're not in the same order, so I can't just copy and paste. I'm gonna have to use an XLookup. So the XLookup, you're just gonna do an equal sign, you're gonna hit X. Usually I just do XLook and then I hit tab, and then it automatically populates with the XLookup formula. So the lookup value here is gonna be on contract name because that's the unique ID in both data sets. Second step here is gonna be the lookup array. So now you're done with the first data set, you're gonna go into the second data set and tell it, hey, I want it to look up, I want it to match that contract name with this contract name column. So column J is gonna be the lookup column. So like I mentioned, I wanted to bring in column E into my first data set. And so the return array is going to be column E here, and that's what you're going to select. Last thing in this formula is going to be the if not found. So typically what I do is if not found, I'm going to just leave it blank, which is these two quotation marks here. And then the match mode, I want an exact match, which is 99% or 100% of the time, I'm going to be using an exact match when I'm in accounting. And then when I do that, I'm able to return the tag from that second data table. And then when I double click the right corner here, it's gonna drag it down all the way through my first data set, and I have all my tags. The reason you wanna use an XLookup versus a VLOOKUP is because the XLookup is a little bit more efficient. The VLOOKUP kind of slows down Excel if you have a large data set. So definitely use an XLookup if you're not. If you are, hope this helps. If you do want more Excel tips or accounting career advice, make sure to hit that follow, leave a like, leave a comment.